Yehuda, world premiere in MAJOL PURA VIDA 2025. First time!
תן לו בעניבה, תן לו בחליפה, תן לו בחפתים, ויהודה יהודה בשלום, יהודה יהודה יא יהודה, 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 יהודה יהודה יהודה, יהודה יהודה יא יהודה, יהודה יהודה יא יהודה.
Yehuda, so balagan as MAJOL, minded, MAJOL PURA VIDA 2025! We have three parts. We begin on the line, step behind and forward. Let's go together, 3 and step behind, step forward, right, left and left and left. The second time, again facing the center, we do step behind, step forward, and then we have like a box step, but with a small hop. Sit, hop, cross, 1, 2. Let's do again only the step up together and sit, hop, cross, 1, 2. The third time we have cross inside and we do with the hands like this. In the song it says tenlo. It means in English give it to him. So we have front and back. And then we bring on the line crosses, and the song says, "Tenlo b'chafatim." Chafatim is confidence, like in the suits that we put here. So we do like this. So let's do from the tenlo together and tenlo b'chafatim. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. We turn left and yemenite. This is part 1. Let's do together. Stay behind together and 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, left and left and left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sit, hop, cross, 1, 2. Tenlo behind. Turn and yemenite. Part 2. The Yehuda bow. Start with sit with right shoulder inside. Together and sit, hop, yemenite. Sit, hop, yemenite. Cross cha-cha outside. Cross cha-cha inside. Go in cha-cha. Cha-cha. Sway with it. 1, 2. Cha-cha. Cha-cha. Sway with it. 1, 2. This is part 2. Part 3 starts after we done with this. We do crossing the line and cha-cha right. Together and cross. Cha-cha right. Touch left and step. Touch right and step. From here left foot, do cross and go inside. Together and cross. Cha-cha inside. Touch. Step. Touch. Step. We continue with cross down and 2 cha-chas out. Cha-cha 1. Cha-cha 2. Sway back. And we finish with facing inside. Sway in and out with right foot. We have in, back, sway and pivot to the left, and finish facing the center. Let's do all and 3 without stop. Together and cross and cha-cha round. Left and right and cross. Cha-cha inside. Right and left and cross. And cha-cha and cha-cha. Sway back. Aha. Aha. Sway with 3, 4. Bend over, honey, up. Continue. After we do the dance twice. Part 1, 2, 3, and again 1, 2, 3. The finish will be the Yehuda part again. Okay? So the finish after we do this, and we go back to Yehuda, and we do all of this